The Douglas County Attorney is calling for another look into how state laws treat juveniles in murder cases.
The call comes after three 13-year-olds were arrested in the month of November in two separate homicides. Two facing charges in the September death of Lenny Rodriguez, a Ralston 8th grader.
Another 13-year-old boy charged in the murder of Alan Reed, but state laws say the teenagers cannot be tried as adults, which limits what punishments they could face if found guilty.
Newswatch 7 at 9's Josh Cristianto spoke with juvenile justice reform advocates who say these laws protect youth who are still growing up.
Should people under 14 years old be tried as adults for crimes like first-degree murder? Douglas County Attorney Don Klein said on Tuesday prosecutors should have the option.
Let a district court judge make that decision if they should be transferred to juvenile court based on the facts and circumstances in our decision.
Right now, Nebraska law stipulates juvenile courts have original and exclusive jurisdiction in cases involving 13-year-olds and younger. That's partly because Nebraska wants to focus on reforming these youth. We spoke with Omaha Police Chief Todd Schmaderer about the issue this week on Chronicle.
The mind doesn't fully form until about 25, so you want to be cognizant of forgiving of sins and proper rehabilitation of juveniles at all times.
But Klein says juvenile courts can only have authority over a person until age 19, after which they're free to go. He says gangs are banking on this.
It seems that it might be taken advantage of in that regard with certain groups that might have younger people carry on their business and knowing that they can't be prosecuted as an adult.
Voices for Children in Nebraska says these are still kids we're dealing with, and the government should focus on rehab and community support.
I think it's really important to acknowledge that children make mistakes, and sadly this is a very big mistake, but they can learn from them and grow and change into better, hopeful, better adults.
Advocates say many of these youth come from tougher backgrounds and they learn from their surroundings.
I think we have to invest in family focused interventions and community investments.
Our interview with Omaha's police chief is part of a bigger conversation on KETV Newswatch 7 Chronicle. Rob McCartney also sits down with Superintendent of Omaha Public Schools, Dr. Cheryl Logan, and Omaha 360 founder Willie Barney. They are talking about the efforts to help children before it becomes a matter of life and death. That's Sunday morning at 10 right here on KETV.